You know why Boudreaux never became a mechanic? Every time he found a cracked gear case, he just slapped some BONDO on it and called it good. Look familiar? Stick around, Shy. Now Richard from Kentucky, bless his heart, sent me his gear case for repair. When I opened the box, the parts just fell out. They didn't just roll out, they dropped out of the box. Here's the gear case, and he had contacted me about, he tried to BONDO and fix it. Parts are falling out all over the place. Looks like he sent it to me unassembled. What a nightmare. All the parts were in a container. So he said it wouldn't stay in gear. I assumed the clutch dog was bad. He sent it to me all disassembled. What a nightmare. I'm gonna see if I can get it all back together, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to replace this housing. I think I got a spare. What a nightmare. The nightmare gear case. And Richard has used BONDO on the gear case to seal a crack. That's like using a band-aid on a femur. But you know what? That's why people send me their gear cases to repair, because they know they can trust him, Mike. And together, we're going to figure out the problem with this thing. We're going to replace the crack, replace this part. We're going to find the clutch dog that's bad on it. We're going to put it all back together. This is just like the feet on a human being. This is what makes the outboard motor run. So we're going to get this motor running again, get this feet to start walking. Let's get started. All right, I got the nightmare gear case fully taken apart and laid out, and the majority of the parts look okay. Of course, I'm gonna change the impeller. Majority of the parts look okay. The clutch dog, he says, is jumping out of gear, and it is worn on both sides. It's got some wear and tear, and he tried to fix a crack here in the skeg. So I went in my part supply, and I found a used but good clutch dog. Looks absolutely no wear on it, and a skeg off of a Johnson, but they're the same part number, same part. So I'm going to replace those two parts in that assembly and put it together over there and see if we can't get the nightmare to end. We need to wake up from the dream. Okay, so I have everything laid out here. Got the replacement lower skeg, got the gear case kit, and I have the parts here. Clutch dog that I took out of my spares, come to find out, does not fit. It looks like it would want to fit, but it doesn't. So that's not going to work. So I had to order one off of eBay. It finally came in after a 2-week wait. So let's see if this clutch dog, which is supposed to be a brand new one, so here's the bad clutch dog, and here's the new one, which does look brand new. Yeah, we have a winner. We have a winner. That's going to go in the spares. This is going to go back in my part shop. So let's get started. putting everything together now and see if we can make the nightmare gear case come out of the dream. So I've got the shaft in, we got the pinion gear placed. Let's go ahead and I think we have to we're gonna have to put the shift rod in first. Finally got her all together, ready for testing. And got the gear case all together. Doing the pressure test. I got her at 12 pounds. Stayed good all night, overnight. So it passes the pressure test. And here we go with the water pump test. And I would say she's pumping water. Passes the water pump test. Okay, now we're going to test the gear shifting. I got my channel locks on the drive shaft. I got a cotter pin stuck in the prop so we can see it. I'm going to pull the shift rod all the way up, which will be forward, and we're turning the prop shaft clockwise. I'm going to push her all the way down, which will be reverse. And we see the shifting working. It's going backwards. Now if I put it right in the center, it should not spin at all. That's neutral. And that's the working, baby. She passes the gear case test. All three tests. Pressure test, water barrel test, and shifting test. Now, as an extra, I'm going to take her outside and I'm going to paint her up. Make her look brand new. She's ready to go. Got her all cleaned up and got my original paint from vintageoutboards.com. Got her sanded down, ready to get her painted. Make it look sweet. Well, Richard, your gear case is back from the dead. She's walking again. No more jumping out of gear. No more BONDO. BONDO's been replaced. Tested, painted, Team Mike certified. She's ready to go, ready to get shipped back to Kentucky where it belongs. So if you've got gear case problems, you have a lot of choices. You can do it yourself using my videos, all right? Or you can mail it to me. Ship it to me for the mail-in repair service and get yours to come back looking like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a comment down below. Tell me what the problems you've had with your gear case and how you tested it and fixed it. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, click the subscribe button, and here's a video for you to watch next. Don't forget the links down below for my eBay store, my online store for all your parts, and for the Save the Hobby free motor giveaway on June 15th. See y'all next video.